Musicians, drummers, fellowmen, this is Kevin coming from the Pearl booth at NAMM 2019, here talking about some of the new additions we have to our product line. The thing we're really excited about this year is Masters Maple Gum. Now, a couple of years ago, we introduced Masterworks Sonic Select shell recipes to the world, and one that really caught a lot of drummers' eyes and ears was the studio recipe. It's a classic thin ply gum and maple shell with a 60-degree bearing edge die-cast hoops and our classic CL lugs. Well, now what we're doing is we're making the first production quality and production quantity Masterworks drum kit. Now, usually Masterworks drums are all made to order. This Masters Maple Complete is a Masterworks drum kit that is specifically designed to be available and at least somewhat affordable to the professional musician. This is the cream of the crop of what Pearl does right here. Lifetime guarantee, available in two configurations, 10, 12, 16, 22, 10, 12, 14, 20, and for finishes, including this beautiful hand-rubbed maple. Gorgeous kits, $33.99 on the street as a shell pack. Now, talking about Masterworks really quick, one of the things that's available for Masterworks custom drum kits is custom graphics. And what we've done is we have specific exclusive technology that allows us to print custom graphics right into the substrate of the shell. So this is not a wrap, it's not an inlay, it's actually imprinted into the fibers of the exterior of the shell, and it's a really remarkable process. We've used original artwork from illustrator Jessica Hancock out of Indianapolis to put these stunning graphics over natural maple on that stadium kit, and then this heritage kit actually features imprinted graphics over waterfall babinga. Stunning look, stunning feel, incredible sound. Now, coming on over here, Session Studio Select is an unbelievable value for the professional recording and touring musician. For just under $1,500, you can get a 5-piece kit including a free floor tom, 2 racks, 2 floors, a kick drum, and one of 6 beautiful finishes, including some lacquers, some Del Mar wraps. This one right here is brand new this year. This is Black Mirror Chrome to kind of give you that sort of black over brass type of a look in an entire drum kit. You can also see that we're celebrating the 35th anniversary of the Pearl Icon rack this year, so we've got a lot of what we call our rack recipes around on the drum sets. This one, the lowboy configuration, is no exception. It actually puts everything you need right at your at the ease of your touch, and everything's out of the way. Follows the same footprint. It's easily transportable, but solid, dependable, sturdy, spectacular. One of the other things that is featured on this drum kit is Pearl's new boomerang cymbal boom. It's a curved, solid cymbal boom that attaches to pretty much any post in your entire drum kit. You can weave cymbals and accessories in and out of the kit all over the place. It looks sleek, it looks sexy. There is 2 different models that are available, one that has a movable tilter all across the rail right there and a 2-way clamp, and then there's one with a fixed 1-way clamp and the gyroscopic tilter as well. Check out all these products and many, many more at pearldrum.com, and thanks for watching.